What's up, guys? It's Ethan Yarbrough back with a new video. Today we're in Walmart. We're going to pick up some paint, some spray paint. We're going to paint our new boat that we just got. We just got a new boat for duck hunting this year, and now we're going to go pick up some paint and see what we can, how good we can make this boat look. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to get some like military type green. We're going to do a bottomland. I'll pop up a picture here of what it's going to look like. We're pretty much just going to do brown, green, and black, and we're just going to do brown and green, and then we're going to do like bottomland type shit, you know. So we're going to get a bunch of green, probably about 4 cans of green.
You stay right there so I can make sure it's the right color.
Yeah, you spray that on me, I'm going to put my foot in your back.
Viewer discretion.
Your discretion is advised. You just get 2 black, brown.
We're going to need more than that, though.
3 browns. We don't really need brown as much as we need green. And then black. That's not black.
Man, where the cheap stuff at? Y'all tripping. Hold on.
I'm trying to make this shit look good. I don't want it to look cheap. I want it to look good. I'm gonna order us some stickers to go on the side like I got on mine. We need to find the sandpaper. Here it is, right here. Cheapest one. That's what I'm looking for. $5, nope. We need some real shit. 1 step. How many sheets of it is it?
4.
4. This'll work.
Hey, my boy. It says it right here.
Yeah.
Alright, we got some of that. See y'all at the checkout station. And that's successfully how you accidentally spend $100. Yeah, you can. We're about to sand it. Want to remember, hold it to the outside.
You know what a wrench looks like?
What's up, guys? We're actually back at the house. We have got the boat pulled off the trailer. We've just washed it off, got all the mud and stuff off of it. We've got sandpaper. We're gonna start sanding it down today. It just started raining, so I don't want to take any chances and paint it today and it get ruined because of the rain. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna sand it down, and then another day this week we're going to start painting. I've got stencils coming in. I've decided like the Havoc bottomland type boat. That's what we're gonna go with. I've got all this stuff, so we're gonna do that probably sometime later this week. And But for right now, we're gonna sand it down, get it all to a base, back to everything even and everything. Make sure the paint sticks and everything. So y'all stay tuned and let's get to sanding. Actually started raining again, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna pick up Thursday. Is my other off day, so Thursday we're gonna start painting and everything like that. So y'all stay tuned, and I'll see y'all Thursday on paint day. What is up, guys? It is actually the new day. It is Thursday, so today we're gonna be painting. This is my new filmer, Walker. We went to high school together. We were buddies all through high school. And when I needed a filmer, he said he would do it. So we got a new filmer, and now we stopped at the store, but we got something cool. We got the new Oreo Coke Zero. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna try it and see what it tastes like. Dude, that shit good as fuck, bro. Dude, try that shit. It legit tastes like Oreos for real.
Bro, that's crazy.
It's
that's
like
crazy.
That shit good as hell, bro. Alright, we're gonna go pick up my girlfriend, and we're gonna go meet TJ, and we're gonna go get to painting this boat. So y'all stay tuned, and I will catch y'all when we're painting.
You too. This is TJ with another.
What's up, guys?
Brother, this guy stinks!
We are actually with the boat now. We've got the paint. We're ready to get over here and start painting. What we're gonna do is we're gonna kick y'all in a time lapse, maybe a little movie, you know what I'm saying? And we're gonna get to painting this boat. Today we're gonna paint the outside, the base coat of green. We sanded it down to make sure it'll stick, and we're going to put y'all on the big camera, as well as we've got stencils coming in. I'm gonna do like the bottom land camo on this. But we're just gonna do a base coat today, paint the bottom and the sides, and then the railings. And we're gonna paint the inside later in the later video, or if we have enough paint today, we're gonna do that today. Just stay tuned and let's get it into paint. What is up, guys? We're back at it from the other day when it started raining. It is a clear and beautiful day today, and the stencils came in. So we got the stencils over here, got them all taped up. We got the boat taped off so we don't get it on the bottom, and we're gonna start painting the boat today. We got a boat build coming soon because we're gonna build it to go duck hunting, but right now we're painting it. We got the stencils came in. They're like a certain type of boat, bottom land camo. We got this in brown, and then we're gonna go back with a more like bark type look in black. So I'm gonna shoot y'all into a time lapse, and let's get to painting this boat. guys, we just got done painting the boat. It is now like this bottomland type camo that I got the stencils off of Amazon. Hope y'all enjoyed today's video. We've got a PVC budget boat build coming up for the boat blind. Thank y'all so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will catch y'all on the next one.